Engines going on eBay. Horizontal Power is the seller name on eBay. Honda engines, all 5 horsepower. I'll be parting some out and putting some together. If you need parts, call me. 484-904-9089. I have a old Honda generator here. It works. It's a G150 engine. It runs and puts out good power. Couple V-twins going up. Tractor pulling engines. Kohler Command CH25s. Couple 23s. There's a V-twin. There's a V-twin. There's another V-twin. I only sell the engine blocks, then the rest of the parts get cleaned and checked. Another V-twin. Mostly 25 horsepower. V-twin. That's a 23. Another V-twin. That's a 23 horse. V-twin, all horizontal shafts. Here's an Onan twin cylinder. I believe it's a 20 horsepower. I'm going to have to check the information. Kawasaki, it runs. FB460. It's got the electric start and a good carburetor. There's a Kohler K181 that also ran and has an electric start. Here's the lovely Kohler single cylinder 16 horsepower K341. You single cylinder tractor pullers will love this because it's a 13 fin engine. That engine runs. More Honda and brakes, 5 horsepower. Here's a Kohler 10 horsepower. Came off a Cub Cadet. Here's a Tecumseh HH140. Came off a Boland's tractor. Has a good carburetor, good head. Another V-twin Kohler Command. Vertical V-twin Kohler Command. Kawasaki V-twin. I have a few Kawasaki's if you're interested, and a couple Tecumseh engine blocks, short blocks. There's a 5 horsepower H50. It's a good short block. I'll be parting these out this week with a couple Briggs & Stratton I don't have shown. V-twin brakes. If you have any needs, check us out on eBay, Horizontal Power. YouTube us, Horizontal Power. Thank you.